Hi, I'm Cameron from Economy Traveller, and today we'll be taking you on a trip to the red centre of the Australian continent, Uluru. We're starting our journey in Brisbane today, flying Jetstar's seasonal flight to Connellan Airport, also known as Ayers Airport. This largely self-guided trip will span 4 days, which is enough to take in the highlights, but if you have more time, there's plenty to do and much to explore. The landscapes change to a dramatic ochre red as you near the hot, dusty plains of the Northern Territory. We've just passed Mount Connor, which is sometimes mistaken for Uluru, but it means that you're nearly there. Before you know it, Uluru is in sight. The airport is 20 kilometres north of Uluru and 5 kilometres from Yulara, which is where most visitors will stay. Welcome to Yulara, just 10 minutes from the airport. Sails in the Desert is our home for the next few days. The first order of business is a drive out to Kata Tjuta, or the Olgas, to explore this ancient natural wonder. This walk takes in the Valley of the Winds, which can take between 2.5 and 4 hours, depending on your fitness level. But we suggest taking your time, and plenty of water, to take in this magical landscape. Kata Tjuta is sacred to the local Pitjantjatjara people, and it's easy to understand why. This is the shorter and easier walk to Walpa Gorge, which is another breathtaking exploration at the heart of Kata Tjuta. Back to sails in the desert, and a cool evening swim is the perfect way to finish the day. Today, we're being treated to a helicopter ride, taking in Uluru and Kata Tjuta from the air, a great way to get a sense of its scale and beauty. Departure is from the airport, which is very quiet when flights aren't arriving or departing. We first cruise past Yulara. You can see all the hotels, holiday apartments, cabins and campsites from here. Our pilot Natalie told us to look out for wild camels roaming the plains. Can you spot any? We finish the day with the sounds of silence, but first, a sunset drink to complement the changing colours of the desert. A wonderful bush tucker dinner is followed by an incredible performance on the didgeridoo and a narration of the ceiling of the stars passing overhead. It's an early start the next day for the Field of Light, which is an expansive light installation by renowned artist Bruce Munro. We cap off this day with a camel tour, riding with an experienced and incredibly knowledgeable local guide. Time to get up close and personal with the star of the show. We rented a car and took an afternoon to complete a circuit around Uluru. Our short trip has come to an end, but the memories will last a lifetime. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next adventure.